video game for my term project. It's a coding video game. And let's go. So this is a splash screen or starting screen of the project, and can choose two local players. Then we type in the names of the two players, click log in, and we see the names of the two players. The playground or coding sheet is a rectangular area of ice. A target, we call it the house, is centered on the intersection of the center line and the key line. We also have a hog line and the black line. A stone must end up between these two lines to be considered a valid stone. Any invalid stone is like this. Or any stone ended in this area will be removed. Any stones touching the borders will also be removed. And we can see that the stone is spinning along the way, and the spinning will bend the path of the stone in the direction in which the front edge of the stone is turning, and this gives the stone a curved trajectory. This is a virtual line to help the player control the direction of the throw, ignoring the effect of turn. Here is the scoreboard. It's quite similar to a baseball scoreboard. The ends are marked by columns 1 through 10, plus an additional column for the total. Below these are two rows, one for each player, containing the player's score for that end and his or her total score in the right-hand column. And if we choose one player mode to play this game with the computer AI player, let's say Harry, we have two options. One is the easy mode and another is the hard mode. If we choose hard mode, the winner is the player having the highest number of accumulated points at the conclusion of 10 ends. Points are scored at the completion of each of these ends. The scoring rule is as follows. When each player has thrown its 5 stones, the player with the stone closest to the bottom wins that end. The points the winning player scores is defined by how many stones she or he owns that are lying closer to the bottom than the opponent's closest stone. Only stones that are in the house are considered in the scoring. In this end, we will see the AI player will score 3 points. A stone can collide with other stones on the sheet and may trigger serial collisions. And in this end, Harry scores 1 point. We also have some shortcut commands like space to skip and end. So in this game, the AI player wins by 4-0. We can press R to restart the game. And if there's a time after 10 ends, the system will trigger the tiebreaker and will add an extra 11th end. I believe that I have shown most of the important features of my project. Thank you for watching.